Hi, and welcome back to the Lash and Brow directory booking system. This tutorial is on the appointments section, so adding appointments and also being able to make changes to appointments and cancel. So once again, from the dashboard, select the appointment screen, and this will take you to a list of all your appointments. Now here you're able to change the date range, and you can also change the services, so you can look at appointments just set for one service. Here you can edit the appointments. So if someone rings up and they want to change the time of an appointment, you can actually go in and edit the time and the date. Now, as you can see, only appointments that are available. So you can see here there's a 10 and 11. There's nothing at 1 o'clock. So that time frame's actually been taken. And also you could put in comments here so that you could see why that appointment had been changed. Now there is a status on these appointments. So we've got awaiting approval, approved, paid awaiting approval, paid approved, and arrived. So they will come through from the booking system as awaiting approval or paid awaiting approval, depending whether their payment has been made at the time of booking. So we suggest that you go in and change that yourself, and also after the appointment, change to arrive, so you have a record of clients that actually turned up. And simply save once you've made any changes. The other thing you can do from here is delete appointments. So if someone rang up and wanted to cancel, you can actually delete them completely out, and you just need to confirm the deletion. And the last thing you can do here is actually create new appointments. So you can either use the schedule, which I've shown in another demonstration video, or else you can come here and add appointments. So same thing, you'd select what service they want, select the dates that they're after. Only the times that are available will be loaded. How many places they want to book, the customer's name, their email address, their phone number, any comments, and once again, you can change the status. Obviously, if you're doing the appointment yourself, it will be approved. If it's not done through the booking system, it's likely not to be paid unless you have some sort of prepayment arrangement. And once again, save. And the last thing you can do here is actually export. So any appointments that are shown up here, just select CSV export, and it will export all of those appointments. So if you knew that you were going to be away from your computer, but you still needed a copy of what appointments you've had, then you could export them and print them off. And that is a full update on how to use the appointment section.